Welcome to our English conversation. Today we will practice our listening and speaking skills. Today our conversation between two friends about first day at school.
Hi, I'm Sam. What's your name?
Hi Sam, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. How do you like the school so far?
It's nice, but I'm a bit nervous. Everything is so new.
I know what you mean. It takes time to get used to it. Have you met any of the teacher?
Yes, I meet our math teacher. She seems really nice.
That's good. I heard she's very helpful. What classes are you taking?
I'm taking math, English, science, and art. What about you?
Pretty much the same, but I'm also taking history.
That sounds interesting. Do you have any hobbies?
I like playing soccer and reading books. What about you?
I love painting and playing the piano.
Cool. Maybe we can hang out sometime and do something fun.
That sounds great. I'd love that. Don't forget to subscribe.
Like and share this video.